Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm working on a Chevy Equinox. This vehicle is a far cry from that filthy, mouse-infested Silverado I did last week. I know that I'll be giving this vehicle back to the owner in brand new condition. I do have a new product to test out on this detail, Kosh Kami's Gummy Fix. It's supposed to return rubber floor mats to like new condition without leaving them slippery. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried this product. Since the vehicle isn't very dirty, I'm going to use my Tornador much more than I usually would. This will help to loosen up all the dirt trapped in this impossible carpet. While I have a moment, I'd like to congratulate the winner of last week's movie quote. The winner was Scrapper's Biggest Fan. No, that's quite the complimentary name. They guessed the quote from the movie Titanic. See if you can guess the quote from this week's movie and put it in the comments below. Since this vehicle was in good shape, I didn't remove the seats. But that does mean that one of the toughest areas to get clean is the space between the console and the seats. Fortunately, I have this crevice tool for my shop vac that lets me get into those tight spaces. The seats were in good shape, but they did have a few spots that needed to be removed, so I used the P&S products that I have really grown to like. Terminator and Carpet Bomber allow me to clean up mildly dirty seats without the use of an extractor, so it saves me a lot of time and they come out looking great. The trim just needed a light cleaning, so I used my other favorite product from P&S, Express Interior Cleaner. It leaves the trim looking good and ready for a dressing at the end of the detail. Now we get to these all-weather floor mats that were probably the worst part of the entire detail, but using some super clean degreaser, a drill brush, and a toothbrush allowed me to get all the dirt removed from every nook and cranny. Now that they're clean, I'm going to bring them fully back to new condition. I'm trying this Kosh Chemi's Gummy Fix. I spray it on and wipe it into all the tight areas, and then finish with some compressed air to make sure it all dries completely. I have to be honest, I was a little worried that it might leave the mat slippery, but this product really does what it says. This one is definitely going on my list of favorite products to use. I have it linked in the description below if you want to have your all-weather floor mats looking new. Now I'll apply some 303 aerospace protectant to finalize the look and give it some great UV protection. The finishing touch is cleaning the glass. I'm really liking this Stoner's Invisible Glass. It's very easy to remove all streaks and leave the glass completely transparent. This detail turned out fabulous. After a detail like this, I always look at it and say, "She sure is a beaut, Scrap." But don't go falling in love with it because the owner's going to be taking it with them when they leave here tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, go on down and pound that like button and share this video to your friends. As always, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep it clean.